Hey guys, it's Tajay and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be dyeing these beautiful bundles. These bundles are just so pretty. They are from my hairline PriveXtensions into this beautiful burgundy color. And I will be lifting them from this natural 1B color to this, like I said, this burgundy color using the Red HiColor's highlights. I made a video like this before. You don't have to bleach the hair. This already has some type of bleaching product in it, so where you don't have to, you can like just exit out the step of bleaching the hair. You guys seem to really like that video last time. I just didn't have like a how-to, so this time I'll actually be coloring the bundles for you guys. So again, if you want to see my bundle deals, they're right here. I have amazing bundle deals. I really hope that you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be shipping out orders again after February 10th. So if you see this before February 10th, 2019, I'm not shipping out right now. But you guys can still place your orders and I'll get the orders going again February 10th. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments below or DM me on Instagram at PriveXtensions or Twitter at Tajay Season or my personal Instagram at Tajay Season. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks.
So I have my 20 developer and I have the HiColors dye, my stuff that I'm going to be applying it with, and I have some aluminum foil. You need a bowl and that brush there. So I'm cutting it off the bottom and I'm going to pour that in there. I think that you'll get way more product. It's so expensive, so you might as well use all that you can. So I definitely just eyeball it. I just pour as much in there until I get a creamy consistency, and you just want to stir it until you get it to that consistency that you really want. So I like to dye the hair away from me. I find that it's much easier this way. So right here I'm just going to show you guys that I'm just evenly distributing the dye from root to tip from the hair. Then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Make sure you're careful because this can get pretty messy. And you can see it kind of sip through to the other side. So as that cools down, I just forgot to record it. It's actually stopped recording me wrapping it in the aluminum foil. This is what I really want to show you guys. Whenever I come back, it's kind of warm and the aluminum foil kind of busts open. Sometimes the aluminum foil will actually burst. It says leave it on there for like 30 minutes. I normally leave it up there for like an hour and a half. So I'll be using my argan oil heat protector oil, and I'll just be putting this on each bundle just to protect it and give it that shine. I let it air dry overnight because I didn't want to put too much heat on the hair, but this is me air drying it, and I'm going to finish it off with some curls to put that texture back into the hair. As you can see, the hair was really curly at the beginning of the video, but once you dye your hair and you bleach it and you have a textured pattern, it will strip the curls from it, but the texture is good. It will still hold a curl really well. So I went ahead and just curled the hair, and this is the color that it came out to be. I really hope you guys like the video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Stay blessed.